Why not consider cultivating a medical herb garden, if you want to invest in your health, by growing your own natural treatments and supplements? At the end of the year, you can freeze, sun-dry, or dehydrate your herbs to have a steady supply of plants to help heal a range of maladies or complaints. Many plants have tremendous capabilities to boost your health, whether it's lavender's relaxing abilities or echinacea's protection against viruses and bacteria, and you can grow many of them in your own backyard, as long as they get enough light and water. 10 medicinal plants and their uses. BAIKAL skullcap, SCUTELLARIA BAICALENSIS. BAIKAL skullcap, also known as Chinese skullcap, is a herb that is commonly used in traditional Chinese medicine. It contains two chemicals of particular significance in this context, baikalin and baikaline. This herb is well known for its ability to alleviate uneasiness and anxiety, as well as assist individuals who have difficulty sleeping. Animal and human studies have corroborated these anxiolytic effects. Skullcap also has cardioprotective properties, with some research suggesting that it could help prevent or even cure heart disease such as myocardial infarction. Make sure it's in a well-drained area before planting. It would rather be in the shade than in direct sunlight. Instead of growing straight up, the BAIKAL skullcap develops along the ground. They stand 12 inches tall at their full height. Basil. OCIMUM basilicum. One of the best medicinal plants to grow in your garden is basil. Not only does it taste great in soups, stews, and salads, but it may also be used topically to treat a range of ailments. Basil contains eugenol, an enzyme-inhibiting aromatic oil that can provide clinical relief for people suffering from rheumatoid arthritis or inflammatory bowel disease. The volatile oils in this herb, such as estragol, linalool, cineol, eugenol, saponine, myrcene, and limonene, have powerful antibacterial and antimicrobial activities. Several types of pathogenic bacteria that have evolved resistant to frequently used antibiotics have been discovered to be inhibited by these oils. Its leaves and petals are used in medicinal teas to treat headaches, sinusitis, coughing, stress, and anxiety. Chamomile. MATRICARIA chamomilla. Chamomile is a herb that you should always have on hand if you suffer from a lot of tension and worry. Drinking chamomile tea can help boost levels of serotonin and melatonin, two hormones that have been shown to help relieve stress and calm anxious people. Chamomile's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities can help soothe skin irritations, such as eczema and rosacea. Chamomile flowers can be used as a topical application by steeping them in hot water for an hour or so and then filtering them. Water should be applied to the skin 2 to 3 times each day. Chamomile thrives in cool weather, so plant it in partial shade. Motherwort. LEONURUS cardiaca. Motherwort is a wonderful medicinal herb that may help to protect the heart. It's said to help with anxiety and blood pressure. In preliminary research, motherwort includes a unique chemical called leonine, which has been proven to increase the relaxing of blood vessel walls. The same chemical promotes uterine contractions, which may explain its role in menstruation promotion. As a result, motherwort should not be used during pregnancy or when trying to conceive. Studies have also shown that the plant can help with anxiety and depression symptoms. Motherwort is a hardy perennial that should be planted directly in the ground. Look for a location with well-draining soil and partial to full light for the greatest results. Sage. Salvia officinalis. Sage is a medicinal herb high in antioxidants and flavonoids that help to lessen inflammation by reducing free radicals in the body. Sage is antibacterial by nature. When diffused or burned, it not only cleanses our bodies, but also purifies the air around us. It has been shown in studies to be an efficient disinfectant against airborne bacteria and to reduce body odor. Sage's antibacterial qualities also benefit oral health. A sage-based mouthwash was found to efficiently remove the Streptococcus mutans bacteria, which is known to cause tooth cavities, in one study. Sage may also aid in the relief of menopause symptoms, the reduction of blood sugar levels, and the support of memory and brain function. Garden sage is a straightforward plant to grow and harvest. It is a hardy perennial that requires full sun and well-draining soil to thrive. YARROW. ACHILLEA MILLEFOLIUM. Flavonoids, which are plant-based compounds that stimulate saliva and stomach acid to aid digestion, are found in yarrow. It's been used for a long time to treat digestive problems like ulcers and irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, a condition that causes stomach pain, diarrhea, bloating, and constipation. Yarrow can also be used to treat chronic inflammation, which can damage cells, tissues, and organs. It's especially good for lowering gastrointestinal irritation. Yarrow can be grown from seed or transplanted as a mature plant. They grow best in direct sunlight and well-drained soil. The plant requires little maintenance, making it ideal for individuals who forget to water their gardens. THYME. THYMUS vulgaris. This plant is a good source of vitamin A, which protects your eyes from night blindness and age-related degeneration, as well as a great source of vitamin C. Thymol and carvacrol, two potent chemical ingredients in thyme, are resistant to dangerous organisms and promote fungal balance. Thyme's ability to relieve pain is another advantage. Thyme essential oil decreases unpleasant menstrual cramps, even better than ibuprofen, according to studies. Thyme is a legally recognized medication for coughs, upper respiratory infections, bronchitis, and whooping cough in Germany. The herb's leaves contain a cough-relieving chemical that relaxes and decreases inflammation in the muscles of our trachea. Thyme should be grown in a location that receives lots of sunlight. Because it is a drought-resistant plant, water only when the soil is entirely dry. Stevia. Stevia REBAUDIANA. Stevia has a number of health benefits, in addition to being a safe and healthful sugar alternative. Stevia leaf extract, according to researchers at the University of New Haven, destroyed Lyme disease in all of its manifestations. It was discovered to be even more effective than antibiotics in combating the condition. Stevia has also been shown to be beneficial in destroying breast cancer cells in other research. It accomplishes this by boosting cancer apoptosis and reducing processes in the body that promote cancer cell development. Stevia also helps to decrease blood pressure and lower cholesterol. Stevia can be grown from seed or acquired as a plant, which can then be transplanted to a pot or planted in the garden. Make sure it gets enough water and doesn't flower if you want it to stay sweet. The leaves may become bitter after the plant blooms. Simply cut off the flowers as soon as they appear, and your plant will remain sweet throughout the summer. Echinacea. Echinacea purpurea. Echinacea is an excellent flower to produce and store for the winter months because of its immune-boosting properties. Echinacea contains potent phytochemicals that have been shown to inhibit inflammatory cytokines, which weaken the immune system and activate cancer cells. Echinacea's ability to combat viral respiratory infections, such as the flu, is further enhanced by these effects. Furthermore, Echinacea's anti-inflammatory characteristics aid in the relief of toothaches, sore throats, snake bites, stomachaches, the herpes simplex virus, and headaches. Echinacea-based treatments have also been shown to promote skin health by increasing moisture and minimizing wrinkles. Echinacea should be planted in a location that is mostly sunny and not too moist. Butterfly weed, also known as Asclepias, is an excellent companion plant for Echinacea. Dill. ANETHUM graveolens. Dill includes a considerable amount of vitamin C, making it very effective for boosting the immune system. Dill contains monoterpenes, which activate an enzyme that aids in the attachment of the antioxidant glutathione to oxidize molecules that might otherwise injure the body. Dill has even been tested for its capacity to reduce bacterial overgrowth, with results that are comparable to garlic. Dill is a perennial plant, so letting it go to seed will result in a new crop the following year.